हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड 2। आज हम लोग प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शंस के साथ आपको बताएंगे आप क्या सफ़र करने वाले हैं। हियर वी हैव समर मर्चेंट। वुड यू लाइक टू से अ वर्ड?
Hi.
He had like 20 things go through his head जो से skip करके बोला।
Skip all the illegal parts.
Yes. So we have Sama Merchant, who is a law student. He plays the guitar. He is a musician and a bunch of other things. Painting भी करता है. We have next up Khushi Basin,
Hello.
law student also, final year, and she's a woman.
She has a
That's
dog.
the best that you could come up with.
Next up
Wow.
we have Dhruv
Am I
Parmar.
I would like-
forward? Hello.
I would like to
नहीं,
keep
ऐसे
my
ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
गलत.
I would like to keep my introductions to myself, and I would just say I'm not Gujarati.
I am a Gujarati and I am not Italian.
I'm a Gujarati and I don't like khakra. Please.
Okay. Next introduction we have Dhruv Parmar.
Yeah.
He is also a law student in this last year, and he's a Gujarati. any words?
I'm in my last year, not the law.
Next up we have Aneri Shah. She is a psychology
Masters.
student, masters, and she's the most educated of us all.
Yeah.
Any words?
Hello.
So age wise ये चारों की एज प्रैक्टिकली सेम है. I am 3 years older. मेरा नाम आर्यमान मर्चेंट है. We are at podcast. मैं भी लॉयर हूँ. I'm not a law student, मैं लॉयर हूँ. And that's pretty much it.
So basically, we are just a bunch of कोर्ट के बाद नोटरी करने वाले. एफिडेविट बनवाना है.
Guys, if you want affidavit done,
हाँ, मैं
100 का दो 100 का दो
मैं बांग्लादेशियों का फ्री में आधार कार्ड बनवा के देता हूँ.
रियली मैं नेपालियों का फ्री में आधार कार्ड बना के देता नो बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट नीडेड
नहीं we can take back क्योंकि ये part edit हो सकता है ना.
घंटा एडिट होने वाला है.
तो हमारे इंट्रोडक्शंस हो चुके हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट ऑन आवर वेरी फर्स्ट टॉपिक व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी बॉलीवुड. बॉलीवुड के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली are actors and their acting skills dying out? Are they still what they used to be, or is the new generation of actors? First of all, let's begin by taking everyone's opinion के basically पिछले ज़माने के अंदर हम लोग जो एक्टर्स को देखा करते थे, ओ पृथ्वीराज कपूर, दिलीप कुमार, ये अरे क्या एक्टिंग चॉप्स है, क्या आज उनमें वो सेम बात है, और इज इट नाउ लाइक फीके फीके सब एकदम एक्टर्स आ गए हैं एंड वो बात ही नहीं रही पुरानी. Let's begin by taking opinions. First, Samar, give me your take on it.
In any profession,
Hmm.
okay, the level of skill required to enter that profession keeps increasing with time. In the 1880s, अगर तुम्हें साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनना था तो तुम एक ऐसे वायर प्लग लगा देते और लोगों को इलेक्ट्रोक्यूट करते थे, मगर अब तुम्हें जेन्युइनली पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है.
Crazy thing.
वैसे ही एक्टर्स को भी थोड़ा अभी ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल लेवल के ऊपर करना पड़ता है इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट अ वेरी इनफॉर्मल टैलेंट कि लाइक हाँ इसको चीज़ें प्रिटेंड अच्छा करना आता है, चलो इसको एक्टर बना देते हैं.
So, what does that have to do with?
I personally think that the standard of acting has been unfairly raised. Unfairly so. Because at the crux of it, acting is just about portraying emotion. Very accurately.
But क्या टाइगर श्रॉफ जैसे इंसान का प्रेजेंट होते हुए we can say कि स्टैंडर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है?
अब
Fitness industry?
देख तू ऐसे लॉजिकली मेरा आर्ग्यूमेंट को ब्रेक डाउन करेगा तो नहीं चलेगा.
Yes, Khushi, what is your take on this topic?
I honestly think we still do have great actors in the industry, but the concept of stardom isn't the same as how it used to be. So what has changed is the concept of stardom in itself from what it used to be back in the day.
Now it's more social media influenced and all.
Yeah. So the entire idea of what standards are and how to stay in the public eye, that has also changed with time. So that has also affected.
That bigger, what's the term I'm looking
Larger
for?
than life.
That larger than life quality that people had has turned into something a little more sloppy. That's
Yeah.
Proof.
Very fair, very fair. So Dhruv, what is your take on this issue?
I think the problem with larger than life issue is that the introduction of social media and ad campaigns is so common कि पहले के ज़माने में जो लोग तरस जाते थे एक एक ग्लिम्स के लिए is not anymore क्योंकि अब they tried to force them into like oh I'm so relatable, oh मेरे घर पे भी बाई है, oh मेरे घर पे भी ये है, तो they have forced it so much that now they are just another person तो विद द होल फेक paparazzi थिंग एंड वो सब चीज़ें, आई थिंक द स्टारडम इज ऑब्वियसली डाइंग डाउन. एंड जो एक्चुअल एक्टर्स एंड वो है, उनको मसाला मूवी नहीं मिलती है. जिन लोगों को मिलती है वो बस वही मसाला करते रहता है.
सो व्हाट यू सेइंग इज के वो लोग क्वाइट लिटरली अपने हाथों से स्टारडम हटा रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर ट्राइंग
Yeah.
सो हार्ड टू बी रेगुलर पीपल.
या
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो सबके ओपिनियंस हो चुके हैं गाइस.
निकालो मुट्ठी भाई को.
Skipped for the second time in last
Okay.
5 minutes.
So next person's opinion,
Yeah.
please.
So, like listening to all of y'all, I also feel ki movies today are being more of what people wanna watch and what will sell rather than what we really wanna depict.
Hmm.
Like making a blockbuster rather than something like Photograph, right? The movie, which was very small and very indie because it did not sell. And now we are looking at movies that will sell, that's marketable rather than something that actually depicts an emotion. So that's what's changed majorly, I think.
So what you mean to say is कि स्टारडम ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हुआ क्योंकि बॉलीवुड के मूवीज बनाने का जो फॉर्मूला था वो बदल गया, which automatically pulls away the stardom from them.
Correct. And
उनको
the god status is gone, right?
हाँ, क्योंकि उनको फैक्ट्री के मशीनरी की तरह यूज करता है एक्टर्स को.
Precisely.
ये कर रहा है, नाच के बता.
हाँ.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
वेहमेंट कैपिटलाइजेशन की वजह से जो उनको पीआर स्टंट्स करने पड़ रहे हैं,
Yes.
इट्स मच मोर देन व्हाट द मूवी एंड वो सब का होता रहता है. लाइक द वे वी वॉच्ड इन F1 जो मूवी आई थी, उसमें दे मेड द एक्टर्स शो के F1 के पीछे they are trying so hard to put the PR things instead of actually facilitating the drivers with skills and the things. तो वैसे ही आई थिंक बॉलीवुड में देयर इज सो मच पीआर दैट मूवी उसके बीच में कहीं पे रह जाती है.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
Adding to that, even when if you look at the case of Homebound, उसको इतना PR मिला, it gained a lot of attention, media का, audience का, but in reality, no one actually went to watch the movie. It did not get as much,
Viewership.
yes, and commercially also it did not do that well as much as other, Bollywood masala movies would have made. Even though it was like a really great watch. I have watched the movie. I'm pretty sure most of you have too. But no one actually went to the theaters to watch it. Even
The
if
public
you-
did not
Yeah,
go.
exactly. And even if you look at Lapata Ladies, amazing movie, great cast, amazing acting, but no one actually went to the theaters. That is also another thing.
सो इशू के ऊपर मेरा ओपिनियन ये है कि व्हाट इट साउंड्स टू मी इसके न्यू एज एक्टर्स में लैक ऑफ स्टारडम seems to be put at the problem seems to be put at the feet of anyone except the actual actors. क्योंकि या तो आधे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ओवर कमर्शलाइजेशन एंड पीआर की वजह से हो रहा है या फिर पब्लिक अच्छी मूवी देखना बंद करी है इसलिए हो रहा है. टॉपिक ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन इज गोइंग टू बी के इज द लैक ऑफ स्टार पावर, लाइक द लास्ट पर्सन जिसके पास एक्चुअल मतलब पब्लिक खींच के लेकर आने वाला स्टार पावर अभी मुझे दिख रहा है वॉज द बिग थ्री, सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, वो आमिर खान, एंड वो लोग भी थोड़ा फुस होना चालू हो गए हैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली, इवन दो दे आर गुड एक्टर्स. तो नाउ द बिग क्वेश्चन इज के कैन द प्रॉब्लम of lack of star power be put at the feet of the actors themselves, or can it be put at the feet of the public and the industry?
In the older times, a lot of attention was drawn towards the older actors, and that lot is because of curiosity. The general public were very curious about these actors. Sure, they were talented. Sure, they were great actors. Of course, I have been a huge fan of actors like Dilip Kumar, Kishore Kumar. But of course, their personal lives also gained them a lot of attention and stardom in its truest sense. In today's times, I don't think any of the actors have kept their lives private per se. I'm not talking about their acting skills. We do have a bunch of actors who are amazing when it comes to their actual skills, but then that level of stardom that older actors had also had something to do with how private they kept their lives.
I think it's because they keep the mysterious aura around them. It's basically the less you appear on the screen, the less you publicly show yourself doing the errands and everything, the more curiosity builds around the like. Let's take example of Rajnikant, right? He is a kind of actor who gained power, and you can actually blame him if things go wrong. We can't do the same with
Tiger Shroff comes
Tiger
to mind.
Shroff, sure. Tiger Shroff or like Vidyut Jamanwal. Like they are great, but they by themselves don't have any power. It's basically in the hands of public and the PR team and their whole shebang.
They everyone knows that they are a part which is being installed into the
Yeah.
movie rather than them being the movie.
Yeah.
You know, one actor who has used his PR well while staying in the public eye but not actually throwing his personal life into their faces is Ranbir Kapoor. He's
But
always
again-
in the public eye. He has a PR team, but he's never on social media. He's never throwing his personal life out for the public to see, but he's always there some way or the other in the public eye.
But don't you think it's because they have perfected it by generations?
Yeah, it's because
But
of family.
that-
But
that
again,
helps.
one thing I would like to add. I think people like Ranbir Kapoor are exempt from this argument क्योंकि as we said कि industrialization, commercialization and public को जो चाहिए वो उनको feed करना पड़ता है ताकि the actors themselves can survive and stay in the public spotlight. A person like Ranbir Kapoor can gain 500 kgs, become a paraplegic, and simply because he's a Kapoor, he's still going to get movies. We have to remember that he does not need to do the paparazzi stuff. He does not need to appear in the public light because he does not need to be remembered. People are not going to forget him. He's Ranbir Kapoor. But if you take someone like Vidyut Jammwal or you take anyone who is not as big और इतने बड़े family में से नहीं आता है, if they don't constantly appeal to the public eye, constantly दिखते नहीं रहते, they constantly go to the latest parties and the latest bars, so there is a good chance that they will fall out of public eye. तो Ranbir Kapoor का absolutely I agree. His management of his PR is very excellent. There is a image being built around him क्योंकि वो super massive movies कर रहा है आजकल. He did Animal, which I did not like. But I admit it is a massive movie.
Yes, and
It developed a cult following which even Kabir Singh couldn't.
He means
अभी-
in the literal timing, like 4 घंटे
Yeah.
पुरानी मूवी थी वो, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी थी.
Now he is doing रामायण की फिल्म आ रही है. And he is doing these super massive projects जो पता चलता है 1000 करोड़ पार करेंगे. He had some flops like Shamshera, no?
yes, correct.
Flop.
But these were also 1000 crore
But
like
again,
flops.
the thing with him is
Hmm.
they are able to pull off movies like वो है Rocket Singh है. He can do experimental stuff without being like
My career
Kick.
ये वाला
dependent on
हाँ
this.
या मेरा next paycheck और EMI जो है
Yeah.
वो बनना है.
Exactly. So I would say that someone like Ranbir Kapoor should be exempt from the argument because he does not go through the same. I mean, ऐसा लगता है मैं typical nepotism argument कर रहा हूँ, but it is unfortunately true. He does not need to do what 99% of actors need to do to stay in the spotlight. He can afford to drop off the map, go on a 6-month hiatus, and when he comes back, Karan Johar will be waiting and be like, आजा bro, मैं wait कर रहा था तेरे लिए. But बाकी लोगों को जो I'll be crass about it, regular public को जो चाहिए एयरपोर्ट में उनका एयरपोर्ट कपड़े पहनते हुए जाके देखना, अरे डिड यू नो शी गॉट पैप्ड कमिंग आउट ऑफ द लेटेस्ट क्लब, ओ शी जस्ट गॉट पैप्ड वॉकिंग विद रणबीर कपूर और
I hate that word.
whatever it is, they
I
have
hate
to
that
do
word.
it. Ranbir Kapoor does not.
Personal opinion, I think I'm so glad the paparazzi, the whole scene is going down. It's like only few of them are left because nobody is actually
Big
into it
agree.
anymore. The
Is it
paparazzi.
going down?
मैं बोलता
Yeah,
हूँ सड़क
they-
पे जाओ रैंडम लोगों को paparazzi का ऐसे वाइब दो.
Don't even get a camera. Get 15 torches. Just flash them.
Same energy.
I agree with you. Okay, you're right.
But
Thank you.
Thanks for validating
Thank
it.
you.
You're partially right.
Thanks for halfly validating.
You're partially right. You are somewhat right because now it's like it's a cyclical process. Like every single concept that becomes a trend becomes uncool some years later on. And people spoke about nepotism in 2020, and obviously it's now becoming uncool. तो अब थोड़ा अजीब लगता है उसका में बात करने में. But the reality of it is, अगर तुम कोई किराने वाले के पास जाओगे, ठीक है, वहाँ पे 3 लोग काम कर रहे होंगे, किराना वाला, उसका बेटा और उनका वर्कर. अगर वो किराने वाले की रिटायरमेंट की एज आ गई और वो बोलेगा हाँ अब मैं मेरी शॉप मैं मेरे बेटे को दे रहा हूँ, तो उसको कोई चप्पल नहीं मारने वाला है. मे बी वो भी लाखों रुपए कमाता है हर महीने, मगर उसको कोई चप्पलें नहीं मारने वाला है, जस्ट क्योंकि he doesn't live as glamorous as life as people in that industry have to portray.
तो व्हाट यू सेइंग इज के नेपोटिज्म हर जगह होता है,
Obviously.
बट तो व्हाट यू सेइंग इज के नेपोटिज्म हर जगह होता है, बट बॉलीवुड इज द प्लेस जहाँ पे उस चीज़ को परसिक्यूट किया जाता है.
True?
एक second. But that is literally just passing down of work
Yes.
when it comes to Kirana store.
Okay.
With nepotism and Bollywood, it brings you opportunities that you're probably not even deserving of
Mhm.
because you have family that belongs to the industry already. So that's not the same. How is that the same?
बिकॉज
I-
किराने वाले की दुकान में भी 3 लोग काम कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पे एक जो वर्कर है उसके पास टेक्निकली मेरिट के हिसाब से उसको मिलना चाहिए. 20 साल से वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं,
Correct.
उसके हाथ में क्यों नहीं गया? एंड में तो उसके ही हाथ में होगा ना, जिसकी जो ओन करता है. अगर करण जौहर के अपने दोस्त के बेटे को अपनी मूवी में लेना चाहता है तो वो उसकी चॉइस है. हम देखेंगे नहीं, वो अलग बात है. मैंने आज तक कोई भी स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर नहीं देखी है, बट
Missing out.
but at the end of the day, it is completely his legal and moral right. He can do whatever he wants.
नेपोटिज्म की अगर बात करोगे, एज अनिल सेड कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं नेपोटिज्म की वजह से. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में क्यों बात होती है? बरखा दत्त गॉट फेमस बिकॉज शी वेंट टू कारगिल. व्हाई वाज बरखा दत्त allowed to go to Kargil in the middle of the war? Because her family was in the same business, and that's why Barkha Dutt got the opportunity.
Wow,
Opportunity
fascinating.
कहाँ ज़्यादा नहीं मिलती है? Why is the film industry being targeted?
Yeah, which is
I-
what Summer is saying. Right?
Whatever business you're in, your parents will provide opportunity for you. It's just that film industry के अंदर वो opportunity को एक गंदे नजर से देखा जाता है.
Interesting.
I
Kushi.
do
I-
have an opinion on that. I think primarily why art form in general people target nepotism in such areas is primarily because it comes from a place of art and certain
Subjective.
skills. Yeah, certain skills are required. Now, actors like Ranbir Kapoor, sorry for bringing
Mhm.
him up again, but then he is the
Undone.
best example.
No one denies that Ranbir Kapoor
Yeah.
is at the pinnacle of what is nepotism.
Yes, he is actually a great actor. Sure, he got those opportunities, but he has made good use of it. He is a good actor. No one can actually deny that fact. Now, if a person who hails from a good background and is continuing, say, if a lawyer hails from a family of lawyers and is continuing in their said law firm, after a certain point of time, if they are not good at their work, they'll stop getting that work, right? Now, again, in Bollywood, there's no one to criticize but the audience. Of course, when it comes to places like a law firm, they'll just stop getting clients, but of course, they won't be publicly targeted for it. They'll just stop getting people to give them work. But because movies in general have audience and are in the public eye, they are criticized publicly more so for it.
Since उनका काम ही ऊपर और नीचे पब्लिक के नजरों के सामने जाता है, तो it's very
correct.
easy to criticize them.
Correct.
ध्रुव.
सी जैसे इसने बोला, जैसे अनेरी ने बोला कि उनको चांस तो मिलता है, ठीक है, दैट्स फेयर एनफ, देना चाहिए. बट आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अगर तू वो किराने वाला अपने बेटे को दे रहा है, अगेन आगे जाके वो किराने वाला और क्लाइंट्स भी ला रहा है, और वो अपने बेटे की दुकान के लिए अलग से पीआर स्टंट्स करवा रहा है, वो मल्टीपल सोर्सिंग करवा रहा है, उसको सब कुछ सेटअप करके दे रहा है. तो बेसिकली ही जस्ट माइक्रो मैनेजिंग हिज सन. तो व्हाट आई फील इज कि इसमें भी सेम ही चीज़ें हो रही है. इंस्टेड ऑफ giving him a chance to prove his metal, that is using him as a puppet, giving third opportunity, fourth opportunity, fifth opportunity, जिसमें नहीं हो रहा है उनसे, but yet they are trying to repeatedly pushing कि कहीं किसी ऑडियंस को पता चल जाए.
Opportunity versus insisting.
Yeah, I
Like
think
Ranbir Kapoor is not a part of that. Someone
Yeah.
like Tiger Shroff can be a part of
someone
that.
like
Ananya Pandey.
She has unfortunately found a very small little social media niche. Social media based movies like breakups and all that में काफी niche पकड़ लिया है उसने. And वो भी गली बॉय के अंदर जो co-star है,
Siddhant
Chaturvedi.
Chaturvedi.
Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey have found a niche in that Gen Z audience.
But
what about that guy from Two States? क्या नाम था?
Arjun Kapoor.
Yeah. What about him?
तो हर बार दिमाग में
Good
मेरे वो ट्यून आता है,
Okay.
वो ना 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 ना
He started off well, if you
Yeah.
think about it. Aurangzeb and,
Yeah.
you know,
Two steps.
two states, the Shahzade.
Yeah.
He did start off well.
And then he did Half Girlfriend.
From Chetan Bhagat to
And then Chetan Bhagat did Half Girlfriend.
And
Okay, wait,
to
wait,
be
wait.
fair, he did not have the sort of backing that people like Janhvi Kapoor and Ananya Pandey have.
Because when he was launched, he didn't have that kind of like people around him.
Exactly. So like that also did not work out for him,
Interesting.
right?
Yeah, but they still kept pushing him.
I mean, if you see, Babil is actually a pretty good actor. He should be someone who should be getting a little more work compared to his peers, which he's
But
not.
he ruined his PR
Again,
image.
PR. That's the whole point.
He destroyed
Even though
his PR.
he is a result of nepotism, if you are taking it in a literal sense.
Hmm.
But he does have skills.
Hmm.
He has
keep
those.
him in the
Yeah,
industry.
exactly.
Yeah.
But because his PR did not work out, people are just gonna keep his skill sets aside and not give him
Yeah.
the sort of work that he deserves.
I think
Is that fair?
same thing happened with Arjun Kapoor, honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
His,
I
didn't like
loved
the
him
movie.
as a villain in Singham.
I was just about to say that. I did
Singham.
not. It's not the
Deepika
type of
Padukone.
movie that you would see again and again. But Singham again, Arjun Kapoor as a villain
जिसमें
was
उन्हें पूरा
amazing.
एक मिनट
That was
जिसमें
pretty
पूरा
good.
उनने पुलिस फोर्स बनाने की कोशिश
हाँ,
की.
वही
Yeah.
It has Akshay Kumar,
Yeah,
Ranveer
Zero
Singh, Singham
Pretty
boy,
new.
Deepika Padukone.
बाहर
Lady
निकल.
Singham
Yeah.
you
No idea.
you have oh my
Wow. What a absolutely
Okay.
what an absolutely repulsive movie.
Disgusting.
मैं दीपिका पादुकोण का स्माइल लेके "ए" करके मूड खराब हो गया. But that guy did good acting.
And Ranveer Singh. And Ranveer Singh. He was good. He was chill. He
Up
was
for
chill.
debate.
No, he was chill in it. He doesn't have this idea of having too much presence. He's just like in the sweet spot.
Actually, if you see in a way, yes, nepotism gives you opportunities. Sometimes it keeps giving you opportunities when you really don't deserve them, like Tiger Shroff, if I might say so. But then there is the circle of life comes around, and there is a certain fairness also, or you can say a disaster also, because you take people like Abhishek
Bachchan.
Bachchan. Okay, I think he's an excellent actor. Okay, he did movies like Guru and Yuva and all these movies, and he was a great actor. He
Gay
also-
guy.
Huh?
Gay guy in the comedy.
Bol Bachchan.
Dostan.
Bol
Bol
Bachchan.
Bachchan. He's done a
Yeah,
variety.
yeah.
That
Why-
also fits the description.
Why is marginalized gay guy such a great niche for Abhishek Bachchan? That doesn't make sense.
Also
Exactly.
Ritesh
He is fabulous.
Deshmukh.
He's
One would say that he is the result of nepotism. He is Abhishek Bachchan. You know, even before he thought of acting, people were lining up at his doorstep to give him a debut, right? And he got a crappy debut. Okay, the worst debut you could ever have. Okay, it almost ruined both his and Kareena Kapoor's, who was also doing the debut with him. So it almost ruined their career and everything. But despite that, he's a great actor who's done great amount of work, and he's very dedicated to whatever he does at that moment. And yet somehow, circle of life aisa hai, he never became a true star. Now that might be because of a personal proclivity that he doesn't give enough of a shit, or it might be because, you know, the public did not give him an opportunity because he was never Amitabh Bachchan.
That
Yeah.
is a benchmark that you
You
are
know,
set up for. So.
Isn't
Yeah.
that unfair? If you think it's unfair, as you know, you look at a nepo baby and say it's so unfair. ये अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा है इसलिए इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. मे बी अभिषेक बच्चन बैठ के सोच रहा है इट इज सो अनफेयर, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा हूं इसलिए कोई मुझे देखता ही नहीं है. आई विल ऑलवेज बी नॉट अमिताभ बच्चन. नेपोटिज्म इज ऑल्सो लाइफ, एंड लाइफ इज अनफेयर, एंड पीपल हु कॉन्कर लाइफ are the ones who go through all the unfairness and still crack it. This is a fact of life. This is Nawazuddin Siddiqui. This is Irfan Khan. This is Pankaj Tripathi.
Alawat.
They did not have any nepo people backing them. जिसको बनाना होता है वो बना ही लेता है.
God knows someone like Jayadi Alabat is getting better and more roles than even Tiger Shroff right now.
Absolutely.
frankly, he's a better actor than Tiger Shroff.
Frankly,
Anyone.
is a better actor than
But can he backflip though?
He does actually. He
No,
does.
that is
Jelly
a
the
big
Lava
part
does.
of-
There is one thing which, as lawyers, all four of us,
Me too, yes.
All five of us. She's advocate
all
for
four
mental
of
health.
you should know that on the topic of nepotism, the one place where it exists the most is the Supreme Court itself. Three of the last Chief Justices of India have either been third or second in line from their own family to be Chief Justices. Gavai and Chandrachud was literally the son of the guy who was the Chief Justice at one of the most tumultuous times of India. Current Chandrachud है, उसका जो successor था खन्ना, HR खन्ना, Human Resources खन्ना. Okay,
Great
HR,
guy.
his father was the guy who was one of the 8 people on the bench of the Shivkant Shukla case. इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे उसके राइट टू लाइफ जब हुआ था, and he was the guy who went 1 against 7 saying that you can't take away fundamental rights during a state of emergency. And it shows, which is why Khanna was one of the best chief justices we've had in a pretty long
तो
time.
अभी तक जितना बात हुआ है, summation there clearly is nepotism everywhere.
Yeah, even army has a lot of nepotism.
आर्मी बिगेस्ट नेपोटिस्ट्स, उनके अंदर ऑफिसर, उनका जो अप है ऑफिसर के ऊपर कर्नल जनरल, दे हैव डेडिकेटेड
They have
फैमिलीज,
families.
दे डोंट लेट
They have
एनीवन
clans
क्लैंस
जो आते हैं।
प्रॉपर. वहां पे अंदर उनका जो सिस्टम चलता है, लोगों को बाहर की दुनिया को पता भी नहीं क्या चल रहा है वहां पे.
As you all said, मीडिया आई के अंदर क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री दिखती है इसलिए उनको नेपोटिस्ट बुलाते हैं. Whereas the truth of the matter is nepotism is not a good thing or a bad thing. It's just a thing. It's a way of life.
Nepotism happens, I guess. Biggest takeaway from this, good bad up for debate always.
I could feel nepotism every single day when I start my bike, which was given to me by my father. That could also be ना, most लोगों के पास mint condition RX 135 नहीं होती है, मेरे पास है.
In a way, yes.
I
In
get
a
that
way,
joy
yes.
because my father was the kind of person who went, हाँ ये ultimate race bike है ना, ये रखनी चाहिए मुझे.
In a way, yes. The topic was Bollywood के अंदर. What was the topic? The topic moved from stardom to why is there not much stardom. It moved on to क्योंकि industrialization and public perception की वजह से हम सबको, the people have to be performative. They have to pretend to be part of the public because that is what the hoi polloi want. And industrialization as in what the industry wants to give the hoi polloi. तो घूम फिर के what the people want के चक्कर के अंदर the industry has stopped giving people what they need and they have started to give people what they want. I think that is the biggest difference. क्योंकि at its peak of the old Bollywood तभी भी hoi polloi था, मगर तभी बॉलीवुड यूज टू टेक अ फादरली स्टैंस के हम लोग एजुकेटेड मूवी बनाएंगे, हम लोग अच्छा सिनेमा बनाएंगे एंड द पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट इट. बट आज ऐसा है कि सर जी आपको क्या देखना है बताओ, आपको नचवाना है, हम आजा ऋतिक भाई को नचवाएंगे हम लोग. दे हैव स्टॉप टेकिंग द लीड in the Bollywood and more succumb to what the public wants.
Yeah.
Basically there used to be a time where the Bollywood used to lead the people through trends कि हम बताएंगे तुम्हें क्या पसंद आएगा क्योंकि we are the experts. Now it has become the opposite. Public खींचते लेके जाती है and लोग पीछे जाते हैं क्योंकि now the Bollywood is not running after art, they're running after money. And as soon as you start running after money, you invariably have to start running after the public.
I don't think the public is dragging Bollywood. I think the commercializing जो ये होता है ना कि ट्रेंड, वो एक आइटम सॉन्ग हिट हो गया तो इसको सारे आइटम सॉन्ग दे दो. Even if people don't
Done by the public.
No, people are not actually
So you're saying people might be saturated, but they still keep on giving the same thing
Yeah.
because it's sold once.
it's like एक ब्लॉकबस्टर हुआ तो विल मेक 4 एनिमल जैसी मूवी बना देंगे. इसको भी एनिमल
पैसा.
बना दो, उसको भी एनिमल बना दो.
Maximum capitalization.
जानवर बन के घूमेंगे.
Yeah, it's like if you say
Start with Kabir Singh,
Yeah,
then
it's a-
animal.
हाँ.
Like even if we don't want it, but they'll
हाँ.
keep on
They'll
milking.
keep shoving it down
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
public because और कुछ है नहीं.
So your take is कि public की भी उतनी गलती नहीं है जैसे वो लीड कर रहे हैं. It is
Yeah.
more
It's a
कि
feedback
industry
loop.
is trying very hard to exploit the people.
Yeah.
I think the point is, instead of being creative, if one person is trying something new and it works, everyone tries to copy the same thing.
Just jumping on the
thinking that-
bandwagon.
Bandwagon,
correct.
yes.
Even though we as an audience might not want it, they think,
Yeah.
okay, this worked once, even if that person had their own creativity and charm.
Yeah.
That might be the reason why it worked for them. They won't see that. They'll just see that the audience actually went for this movie. They
Let's
earned
make
that
a
money.
copy.
Let's make a copy.
And honestly, the shift in the Indian audience is becoming palpable. क्यों? With the rise of Netflix and Amazon.
OTTs.
OTTs के अंदर people like Manoj Bajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Jaideep Alawat are
My favorite.
crushing.
Gulshan Devaya, please.
Gulshan Devaya is
They are crushing the opposition. मतलब there are times जब भी things like The Family Man have getting cult status bigger than
Yep.
Baghi.
Definitely.
Hadi didn't have that status to begin.
Panchayat.
Calm down.
Panchayat. People are beginning to look forward to things like that.
On that note, please watch Perfect Family on YouTube,
Yeah.
which is like
So good.
really,
Please watch.
really.
Beautiful.
What is that?
I've seen
It
Please
is
it.
a
watch.
beautiful watch, and if you honestly want to
Very nice,
support
very nice.
like all these niche shows,
It has
and
Kunal Khemu, na?
it has Gulshan Devaya.
Kunal
Your
Timu.
number, Papa
Oh,
thing.
sorry.
Manoj,
हाँ,
that's-
sorry,
that's
sorry.
it,
हाँ,
that's
sorry,
Ima
sorry. Yeah,
Pawa.
yeah.
Yeah, correct.
The
I
cast
am
is so
Devaya.
good.
Correct.
Cute shit.
Shout out to Perfect Family.
Beautiful watch.
Okay. So I think ये हमारे पहले टॉपिक को फेयरली काफी समाप्त करता है.
Yeah.
Anyone here seen The Boys on
The
Amazon?
boys.
It does show how PR works. Like they are little
Absolutely.
superheroes. But they are like,
Season 3 onwards was a bit.
even if they are like legit superheroes,
Hmm.
the normal humans who are like their PR people and the company people, they literally like चाबुक मार मार के उनको नचवाते हैं. उनको चैरिटी इवेंट कराते हैं, उनको प्रमोशनल इवेंट्स कराते हैं, मूवी इवेंट्स कराते हैं, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. While the person in front of them is literally the strongest person on earth, but they can't do anything because contracts and PR stunts, etc. etc. So now they have to blend in like, oh, you guys are the hero. I'm not the hero.
Even laser-eyed Homelander is nothing in front of a
Yeah.
good PR stunt.
Yeah, wait till he cracks out.
Happened with One Direction too.
Wrong direction.
One
One
Direction.
direction in this.
Next debate: One Direction or K-pop? Which is worse for our world? Crap paving the way for more crap.
You can get out of this discussion.
The problem with the whole boy band or the band thing is that One Direction still had some autonomy because they were in like British and they initially when they started the thing, they had some autonomy. They still had freedom to have their own hall and actually be there to rest. When it moved to South Korea,
Correct.
the whole
K-pop is a
thing-
manufactured product.
Yeah, they are manufactured from like they are like 15 or 14.
उनको
And
प्लास्टिक
now
से बनाते हैं.
they are molded, beaten into, starved, and forced to act dumb. They are forced to act slow, cute, kawaii, skinny bangs, super light skinned, glossy skin, and frail. As a Victorian way, not in a weak way, in a Victorian way. You know the way tuberculosis shaped the beauty standards, the pale skin, skinny people.
Good reference. Most people don't know that.
Yeah.
We are out of time. Sorry. We'll take this up in the next podcast.
Yeah.
Saying I love you, girl, but I'm out of time.
हमारा theme.
Saying I'll care for you, but I'm out
We
of
don't even need like
time.
license.
अब यहाँ से credits आ जाएंगे.
I'm out of time. When I'm too late to make you mine. Out of time.
Okay, so summation of the topic: Bollywood star power, etc. and whatnot. It is clear कि इतने सारे लोगों को हमने मैनेज किया ब्लेम करने के लिए. पब्लिक शायद, इंडस्ट्री डेफिनेटली, PR, whatever, etc. 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 But the one person who quite clearly can't be blamed are the stars themselves. क्योंकि या तो वो they are at the mercy of the big Bollywood industry, नाचो और else, या फिर द पब्लिक के और क्लीवेज बताओ, अच्छा एक्टिंग करने की कोशिश की तो आपको लात मार के भगा देंगे.
Just podcast is about Tiger Shroff.
Yes.
If you haven't figured out.
It's Ranbir Kapoor versus Tiger Shroff.
Comment if you are a true Tiger Shroff fan.
We have watched him.
Tiger
We've
Shroff
seen
stan.
him.
IRL, yes.
IRL.
We are Tiger Shroff gang, yeah.
Shirtless. Out in public.
Out.
Yes. Okay. So it is clear that in this particular debate, all of us more or less stand on the same place. Lack of star power cannot be laid at the feet of the stars themselves. It is mostly to be laid at the extremely brutal and violent exploitative practices of the money grabbing Bollywood industry. Very basic answer, very simple. Everyone knew we would reach her, but sounds good to reach her in such a nice way. So it is clear that this should be laid at the feet of the industry, the money grabbing, bad, big, Bolly, whatever. Karan Johar, basically.
The big Johar.
Okay, so I think this debate में we have a unanimous
Yeah, we
Agreement.
unanimous.
अब यहाँ पे green tick आएगा.
Yeah.
Ting.
Ding. I did the Robert De Niro.
Yeah.
I did.
I did the Lapata ladies.
Okay, so this has been the end of our podcast. We will see you in the next one. Bye, 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 bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.